In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the bonus templates that I've created for you. So as I've said previously, I have been using this functionality, this software for a long time now. And I have a lot of different templates that I use in my own business, such as when somebody has given me some sort of a praise, I send them a message that says /review, and then this automated message pops up. Also, I have a cold intro message that I send people. I have also a bio for podcasts and things like that I give people. Now, when you are in your dashboard, you can click on shortcuts, and then you're going to click on new shortcut. When you click on new shortcut, you're going to see that we created a whole section here of different templates. So you can look at email greetings and customize that, email closing, meeting request, and various other things. And we'll continue to grow this library. Now, bear in mind that these templates are just templates. They're not actually in your account, but you can add them to your account. All you gotta do is simply click on one of these and then choose the folder you want it to be and click on save shortcut right here, basically. Now, in this case, you will notice that the bonus is the ones that I'm giving you, and bonus is basically all the different templates that I personally use. So at the time of recording, as you can see, there are 3 here. You can absolutely use these right away, just customize these, and we will continue to add more. So you can actually use more of the different things that are proven to work in my business that I've personally been using for years, and you can enjoy those and make use of those.